You might as well hit the thumbs up already because we're on phase 2 after this.
Maybe pink like the holes in your heart. Baby pink is my favorite part.
Hi guys, this is Pink and I have more pretty things for you, of course. And if you were lucky enough to have watched part 1 of this budget room makeover phase by phase, then you're all caught up and you're ready for phase 2. If you haven't, stop what you're doing right now. I'm going to put the card somewhere over here. Click on it and watch part 1 and then come back to watch part 2.
Bye. Terracotta walls. What's the name of this paint color?
Pot. Flower pot, something. That was the name.
Terracotta pot.
Just to recap, you can dramatically change the room with a $20 can of paint. Phase 1 recap. Paint. Okay, guys, so now that we've done phase 1, which was to paint, you can leave it like that because as you can see, it did make a difference in the way the room looks. Or you can move on to phase 2. And for me, when you're trying to do a budget, a remodel or makeover, phase 2 is to survey your room, look around your room and see what you are going to keep and what you will be replacing or upgrading. And for me, I wanted to upgrade the curtains. So I didn't put the old curtains back up. And I looked around my room and decided what I will be keeping and what needed to be upgraded. And also what you can DIY because that is phase 2, accessorizing and doing some DIYs so that it will be affordable. I will be keeping my sofa, love seat, and chase lounge because I'm trying to keep this budget friendly and I do not want to invest in a new furniture set right now. I still love this furniture set. It's still working and it's a neutral. And so if changing your furniture set is in your budget, I suggest buying a neutral for the big ticket items, and that way when you just want to get a new look for the room, you can do so by just switching up less expensive items. So for my budget friendly phase 2 portion, I'm going to tackle the curtains and the accessories. And you all, here's a tip. My favorite place to get affordable, nice luxury curtains is TJ Maxx. Believe it or not, TJ Maxx has some really great quality curtains and they are at a length that will really make the home look more expensive. So try to get at least the 96-inch length curtains so that they touch the floor. And I actually like mine's a little longer. I like them to kind of pull on the floor. And so you can also shop at Wayfair and Ross. But I really love TJ Maxx because you get a big bang for not a lot of buck. And the curtains are beautiful and like I said, very, very nice quality. And so I'm trying to, I already had these curtains. So these curtains didn't really cost me anything new. I bought these curtains in every color and I decided I was going to put these in my living room. If you remember my bedroom, my master bedroom makeover, you see I have these curtains in taupe, platinum, and then this color is called mushroom. And I purchased these to actually go in my dining room. But that's another tip, you guys. Shop your home. Um, use things that you already have. Start where you are. Use what you have. And you may notice that I removed a lot of the pillows and accessories in the room and started from a fresh palette so I can decide what new pop of color that I wanted to use. And also, you may see on the floor, I added this beautiful rug, you guys. I found this Thema rug, I believe is how it's pronounced, at Ross. It is huge. Here are the measurements. Here is the price. It was $99 and it says that it's ivory and gray with intricate medallion print. And I love that it was ivory and gray, two beautiful neutrals that work well together. My walls is a shade of gray, and my furniture is a shade of ivory or cream. And so I was so happy when I came across this rug, and it's just beautiful. To me, it really makes the room. And so that's part of phase two. If having new flooring is not part of the budget, then think about maybe just finding a nice area rug to lay over the floor. If you have wood floors, maybe getting them refinished would be more appropriate for your budget than to just getting totally new floors. And for us, flooring in our living room just wasn't a priority. And but we do have some flooring videos coming up for other rooms, but for this room it just wasn't a priority. And so finding this rug for $99 was very much so within the budget that we wanted to keep this room. And you guys, I am only up to about $125 in on this room makeover, which is very reasonable. Um, Especially because I really didn't even have to get a rug in there, and you can already see just what a difference the curtains made. I just love them. Like the curtains alone, the curtains and the paint alone really made the room. And as you can see, I removed the pillows because I'm going to be getting some new pillows. You guys list in the comments below what color pillows you recommend, or what color pillows do you think I'm going to get, and for the pop of color. And I'm going to be removing the picture off the wall. So that's not a giveaway or a hint. That will be gone. And as you can see also, the tables are gone. A lot of my side tables are gone. So that's another hint for part three, because part three is going to be the room reveal. But here you go, phase two, part two. This is what we have. And like I said, I could stop here. It's already just really cute, and I'm really happy with how the room is coming along. But stay tuned for part three, and I'm going to finish the room and reveal it. Thanks, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Maybe pink like the holes in your heart.